Good morning. We are over here in, I gotta figure out how to pronounce it right because I keep saying it wrong. Hang on a second. We are in the wrong state, Illinois. Vandella? Maybe that's right. Somebody will correct me. Vandella, Indiana, Illinois. Wow, maybe I should just start over again. Good morning. We are in Vandella, Illinois at the Walmart. One of the few Walmarts that has actual real truck parking. So, you truck drivers out here, respect this Walmart. Don't throw your trash out all over the place. They were nice enough to give us truck parking. So, we got about 70 miles to go to deliver. I've just been dragging my feet all morning. My appointment's not till 1 o'clock. I have been on this load forever. We do not have a reload yet. I'm holding out for something out of Granite City. I'd like to get some skidded coils. So that's what I'm holding out for. It's been raining the last little bit. It rained last night, rained this morning. Easy day. I went and bought a GoPro. Yes, I spent the money and went and bought a GoPro camera. And my idea is I might get another one. Right now, I'm using the GoPro. The scene that you see out the window is, I had like a little knockoff Chinese GoPro thing that I bought off of Amazon when I first started making these movies, or videos. And it was starting to fail and let me down. And at first, it wasn't that bad. I thought for what I spent on, I think I only spent like 70 bucks on the thing.
In 500 feet,
it wasn't that
turn
bad.
left on US 40.
But it would start to let me down. I'd spend all day recording. Come to find out, it hadn't recorded anything.
Turn left on US 40.
So I decided to break down and get a GoPro. And this will be our first adventure with it. I hope it performs like I want. This little camera that I'm talking on, this one right here, it's a little Canon, what I call a point and shoot. And I think it does pretty good. It's not a super wide angle lens. The problem that I was having with the little knockoff cameras was the audio. I didn't have very good audio. And this little Canon has okay audio. I mean, it's not perfect. People say, oh, you need to get a mic and all that other stuff. Well, all that stuff gets in the way.
In 1/4 mile,
I tried to come up
on I-70 West.
I tried to come up with the best solution. This little Canon point and shoot, I bought this right after I first started making videos. And it does pretty good. I like it. It's very easy to use. So I tell you one thing I like about that GoPro, and that's why I think I want to get another one, is I can, it's voice activated. So completely hands-free, which I think is a great plus. The way you don't have to leave it
left on I-70 West.
Just like a cell phone. So that's pretty awesome. So we are getting ready to get on the big road. We got about 70 miles, St. Louis. We're gonna get over there early. The worst they could do is make me sit around there. So that's what we're gonna do. I hope today's a better day. I'm not better. I'm just tired of the rain. I'm tired of the rain. Tired of being wet and dirty. Kelly dog's back there looking out the window. She's anxious to get moving. So we're gonna have a good day. And I'll talk to you guys in a bit.
I feel better every day. The troubles I had have been washed away. I'm cleaning up my act and moving on. In the silence of my room, I'll sleep all night and get up at noon. There's nothing to distract me in my dreams. Like a pillow on my face, no one can hurt or invade my space. I still walk the streets with my head high, and though I wonder where I'd be if no one had helped or remembered me, I know my own will has got me through. I know why I should try to find out why I feel so There's a comfort to be found when you find out there's no one else around to set your mind off track and lead you on. And though I wonder what I'd do if you hadn't told me to see it through, I know I could make it without you. I know I should try to find out why I feel so high. Coming up again to get a breath of air. In the water everything is fine. Now we'll stay in here until the day is through. For a while I like to feel the buzzing in my head.
Alright. I think I'm near where I'm supposed to be. I'm not too sure. I've never been back here before. So I looked at Google Maps. I didn't see any other way to get in here. That little road just didn't look like a truck road, but I guess it was. There's a lot back here. Trying to figure out where to go. No signs. No signs. Drivers, pull forward, do not block traffic. Report to shipping office. Alright. I think I'm at the right place. Let me go find out. Alright, we're at the right place. We gotta go around the building here. And it's raining outside. I'm just a little bit early. He's gonna make me back up under an awning, he said. And then untarp. So So far, everything's going pretty good. So far. And it's not too bad. It's going on 11 o'clock right now, so I'm a couple hours early. So even if they get to me an hour early, that will help out my day. So I still don't have a reload yet, though. Nothing yet. Freight's been weird, and it'd be good for about a week, and then all of a sudden it like dries up. I don't know where it goes. Take a look at that, see what it looks like. Alright, back up just a little bit more. Hopefully that's good enough. Alright, let me go and tarp this and talk to you guys in a bit. Alright, if you can hear me over the buzzer, we just got unloaded. Took a little over an hour. They went to lunch, which is fine because my appointment went till 1. When they take the metal off the trailer, the airbags readjust and it sucks up all the air out of the air tanks, and that's why that low air buzzer was buzzing. We don't have a reload, so I don't know what to do. Where I wanted to get, where I wanted to hopefully get a load, they haven't booked anything. And I know they will. But the question is, do I want to wait? Or do I want to go do something else? So, I was really hoping I'd have a reload. This is what I don't like. I don't like getting empty and not having anything to do. Now, I could go take something that I don't want to do that might take me to an area that I really don't want to go. And I don't know if that would be beneficial. or I need to take Cali dog out. She's been patient. Let me take Cali dog out real quick before we hit the road. It's about 20 minutes up to the truck stop. She's been really patient, so I need to take her out. I gotta get out of the way here. So that's the plan, or no plan, or that's what's going on. All right, let me. We'll take Callie a dog out to that little bit of grass right there. Let me take her out, and I'll be right back. All right, Callie dogs took care of. I don't know what to do. We're just gonna go back down to the truck stop and hang out there. It is 1 o'clock in the afternoon here, so the odds of getting something today are pretty slim in this area. I don't know where all the freight's at. They got a couple things for tomorrow, but it's stuff I usually don't like to haul. I'm hoping to get skidded coils is what I want. They load right there in Granite City. That's what I'm hoping for, but it's not happening yet. Not yet. So we're just gonna go to the Truckum stop. Go to the Truckum stop and we'll see what happens. See what happens. Alright, I'll talk to you when we get to the truck stop. We're only like 5-10 minutes away. So. I'll talk to you when we get to the truck stop. Alright. That didn't take too long. We are over here at the Flying J near Granite City, Illinois.
Turn right at the traffic light.
I think we're just gonna go find a place to park, hang out. I don't know what to do. I could go deadhead all over the place, pick up something tomorrow, but I'm pretty confident something will be up and around here. So I hate to commit to something far away. So I don't know. I was getting pretty good at predicting freight, but here lately it hadn't been popping like it usually does. It rained all last night. It's rained today. They were nice enough where I unloaded. They had like a little awning thing pulled up under there. Got untarred before my appointment, which was good. Speed things up a little bit. Speed things up a little bit. There's a good looking older Kenworth right there. I would have to say that is probably an 80s model.
Arriving at Flying J.
We are at the, and I don't know if you can see the sky though, but it is dark. I wonder if they're gonna expecting some crazy storm clouds around here. This truck stop can be a mess sometimes. So we are going to try to find a parking spot that we can take Cali Dog out, and a parking spot that I don't think somebody will hit my truck. That should be fairly safe. I'm not too worried. I never really worry about trying to park close. I can use the exercise. I'm more worried about, well, when I have Callie, taking her out, and somebody hitting my truck. So I try to find a parking spot where it's not too bad. And they need to come out here and pick up the trash. A little rough around here. So we'll just take a tour of the truck stop here and figure out what we're gonna do. I think I'm gonna park in that corner back over there. I think I'll park over there. Oh, this place turns into a mess. Alright, do this. We're gonna sneak through here. And the only bad thing about having a dog, especially in this kind of weather in the winter time, is taking her out. She gets all dirty. Oh, what's she barking at? Oh, there's a guy in the truck next to her. She sees it. That guy's got a rip in his tarp there. That's not good. That's not good. The wind get a hold of that. That'll rip right off some more. Alright, we're going to go down here and park in the corner. I think that might be the safest spot. A little bit of grass over in that area over there. Pretty nasty looking though. God, people just leave their trash everywhere. Everywhere. Terrible. Back this thing up. Another, you know, I see a lot of, I guess they're new guys in the parking lot. And when I taught my wife how to drive, I taught her the first rule of parking is park in the easiest spot. So it doesn't matter if you have to walk to the front or whatever. But the first rule of parking is park in the, look at this guy hauling ass here. Don't even give me a chance to back up. Crazy. I told you this truck stop crazy around here. I don't usually come over here. Crazy. But first rule of parking is park in the easiest spot. I see guys struggling to try to get that front door parking spot. End up tearing up their truck. Or did they park somewhere where somebody else is going to tear their truck up? I think that's it. Well, let me pull up one more time. This guy got a reefer, but that's alright, I got a generator, so we will battle it out. Short day. I don't know if that's good or bad, but short day. Alright, I'm gonna try that footage on my new camera, see how that works. Hopefully I can figure out how to use it, make a decent video. But thanks for watching. Short day. Hopefully tomorrow we'll come up with something. And talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.